Hello friends, this is CA Gaurav Agrawal. So on your request I am bringing this Reliance industry updates. In last 1 month many things is happening with Reliance industry. Many stakes are getting sold. People are investing in the Reliance Jio, Reliance retail platform is coming, Reliance right issue is coming. Many news are coming and you can see that share price is also going up and recently goes down. So many things is happening with the Reliance share price, Reliance industry as a whole. Fuel prices has gone down, but Reliance is the biggest company of the India. So let's talk about the Reliance industry, what is happening, recently happened with Reliance, and what is gonna be happen in future. I hope you will like it. Let's move to the next slide. So here we are going to talk about the 4 big deals of Reliance industry, which has happened recently, and yesterday also they announced the big investment of General Atlantic. So let me explain you one by one what is happening last 1 month with the Reliance. So 4 back-to-back deal for the Reliance industry. You can see here that on the April 22nd, 2020, Reliance announced that Facebook has invested in Reliance and buying the Reliance Jio 9.9% stake in the value in US dollar terms 5.7 billion, in rupees term 43,574 crores. So this was the biggest news of the market, and that suddenly the share price is going up, and then everybody is believing that it is a game changer. But after few days another news came. On May 3, 2020, Silver Lake Invest rupees 5,656 crore for 1.15% stake. That news also shake the market, and then everybody is saying, oh, the Reliance big bhaiya is making good money and then attracting the international investors. Just after the 5 days another big news came. May 8, 2020, Vista Equity Partner, the US based private equity firm which run the world's largest exclusively tech-focused funds, said it will pick up 2.32% stake in Jio platform for rupees 11,367 crore. Not just that, these 3 news was not sufficient for Reliance Industries. Suddenly today another announcement came that General Atlantic to invest 6,600 crore in RLI digital unit. Wow. So where in this COVID-19 period everybody is talking about saving money, not to invest, how the business will grow, but our Reliance industry, the biggest company, the Mr. Mukesh Ambani, is able to attract the foreign investments, and it's a great achievement for as an Indian, we feel. So General Atlantic is buying 1.34% stake in Jio platform. So if you do the total of all these 4 investment, the total deal price is 67,197 crores so far, and you never know what is going to happen next week. So this is bringing a good positive sentiments in this scenario of COVID-19. Now let's talk about little bit about the right issue, because everybody is hearing that Reliance is bringing the right issue. Reliance is bringing the right issue. In last 15 days the share price was going up because as you all know that the fixed issue price is settled at 1,257 rupees per share, and currently the Reliance share is traded 1470 somewhere. I don't know the exact number. I will explain you the next slide. But when people are thinking that there is a gap of 200 plus as of now, so people can easily buy the right issues, and you have seen that the share price has gone to 1600 level also recently last week. So there is a thing that people are taking right issue as a very positive thing, and this has happened in last 30 decades first time from the Reliance industry. So what is the period of subscription is May 22, closing date is June 3, 2020, and it was the last recorded date was 14 May. So it is already gone, so I have not mentioned that. Now we are on May 17. Now Reliance Industry has already sending a mail to their shareholders. If you are the shareholder, you must have received the email. So people has to apply for the rights when it will open. So company biggest ever right issue by Reliance Industry, the largest company by market capitalization, will open the shareholders. So this is the greatest news. The largest ever right issue of rupees 53,125 crore. So 53,125 crore will come from right issue, and 67,000 crore they have already signing the deals or in the process of signing the deal. So during this year they will get that money. So almost 100,000 crores with this activities Reliance Industries already in the pipeline to get it. So these are the big initiatives to make the balance sheet debt free, because Reliance Industries is already focusing to reduce their debts. So about this right issue, the entitlement ratio, as many people knows, that 1 share for every 15 shares. So ratio is 1:15. There is a some typing error is there. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Now here I am mentioning you that what was the traded price of Reliance share on May 15. May 15 the share price was 1459, 1459.4 in the National Stock Exchange, or in the BSE is 0.9. So almost you can say that for 1459 or 60 in the round figure share is traded. Share has grown 1.63% that day, and volume is really high in NSE. 28 million means 2 crore 86 lakhs is the volume. And you can see that Reliance Industries 52-week low was 867 and 52 weeks high was 1602, which recently in the last few weeks they have achieved it. So share is already traded at their 52 higher level in between, and you can see the deliverables is 34.06%. so people who is doing trading in this share, they are getting the delivery also. So overall, if you see that company sentiments is very high, and then share is traded at the high level, and company is at the consolidation level, and able to attract the international investment. And now if you see the share, if you see here the 1 year share price movement, you can see that the share has moving from his highest level between 1200 to 1400, going little bit down in the month of August 19 in the range of to 1100 rupees. Then after that it's going up and up and up and reaching the level of 1600. Then suddenly in this COVID-19 epidemic, it goes down to 875 level. So imagine if people who has consolidated the share at that level would be very lucky. Then after that the share has in the lambi khai आई है, basically that the share has gone down, and then after that it is going up and up and up, and in the last 10 days you have noticed that it is little bit in the same range, going down and up. What will happen in the today's market, nobody knows, and how it will trade it, how it will go in the next week, because that this announcement came just today evening. How it will impact tomorrow morning, that share will go up and down, that is I'm not commenting, and we don't know that how the share price goes. So based on this presentation, based on this information, we are not commenting on the share price movements. This is, if you want to invest in the share, please do your research. We are not asking anybody to do the trading, but we are here to give you the information which is happening with the Reliance industry. Okay, now move to the next slide. Here the valuation of the company I want to highlight. The market capitalization, the company is at 986,512 crore. So almost company is 1000 crore company, which is the very large cap company. PE ratio is 32 almost. Book value is 706. So share price is at 1400 and book value is 706. Dividend percentage is 65%. Market lot 1. Industry P is 18.61. EPS is 45. PC is 24.29. Price to book is 2. Dividend yield is 0.45. Face value is 10 and deliverables are 20.89. So overall company valuation is very high, and company is the large cap company which is too big to fail. But yes, Reliance Industry, Mukesh Ambani is the Indian businessman, and who is doing very well in the industry, no doubt about it. So these are the small information about the Reliance industry, just for information, just for knowledge, not for trading. Now this is a Q&A, so kindly feel free to raise your question in the comment box so that I can answer that. I made this update based on your request. Hope you like it and you praise it. If you have any doubt and comments, if you want to give any suggestion, please feel free to give me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.